Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update here on Ethereum. Covering it again, and yesterday we actually did break out, alright, so that's what we'll talk about. I'm sounding a little bit like a news anchor right now. That's definitely not what I'm going for right here. But no, I mean, Ethereum did break out, right? And yesterday what I said is that I thought it was most likely that we would not break out. But I think what, well, no, I mean, I was just wrong about that. But obviously over the course of the day, we also got the news that the United States and the EU had made a deal. And it doesn't seem to me that that was fully priced in. I mean, if you take a look at the S&P 500 right here, so stocks, equities, whatever you want to call it, that also opened higher, which is usually a sign that it wasn't at least fully priced in, because if it was fully priced in, you'd see no reaction or a sell the news effect. So that certainly helped Ethereum. With the breakout right here, the most important level that we broke out above was 3,800. Then over the course of the Asian session this morning, we got some nice volume in the price as well. But now the big question is, can we hold this breakout? Right, we already, look, yesterday I spent quite a lot of time talking about this breakout, right? And I've always said in my last couple of videos that Ethereum is very strong and that, you know, a breakout was quite likely. I just did not think that it would be on a Sunday, which it happened over the course of a Sunday. I thought we would drop down once more and then break out, right? But Ethereum at this point of time is just looking incredibly strong. I mean, if you take a look at the technicals here, before the breakout we had, which by the way is a breakout on very low time frames, right? So does it really matter that much? Yes, but there's stronger things, and the stronger things for Ethereum are this beautiful 4-hour uptrend, this beautiful surge in price on the daily time frame, and perhaps most importantly, the relative strength of Ethereum against Bitcoin, which at this point of time is on the verge of breaking above a major key level here. Yeah. So I mean, it's on the verge of continuing some sort of an uptrend. So ultimately, I have to be bullish on Ethereum, right? We have a lot of news coming out today, and especially on the Monday, like a pullback is quite likely. But for me, look, there's two most important levels to me, right? You can see that over the course of today, we actually opened higher than yesterday's value. Yesterday's value is this block right here. We opened higher than that. Usually, if we want something to be a good breakout, you need to hold the value area high of the day before. So that's this level right here at 3,860. 3,860, in my opinion, if we really want to see a strong rally here, so into 4,000 and higher probably, we need to hold that and we need to get a strong reaction there. All right, so we need to do something like this, spike up and then hold it. If we're able to do that, then that's great. All right, then we're going to rally up much higher. And by the way, at the end of the video, I'll tell you what I think is most likely, even though, to be fair, I'm ready for a lot of scenarios. And then worst case scenario, if we still want to be bullish, we drop down all the way to the value area high of the balance we've made since last week Monday, which is right here at 3,800. Right, but in general, if we want to stay bullish with Ethereum, we need to hold that area between 3,860 and 3,800. Do I expect that we're going to hold that? Yes, but I do think, and that's also in line with kind of the shifting balance we've seen from Ethereum, I think we're going for a bit of a deeper pullback towards 3,800, and that from there we can actually expect a bounce, some stronger price action, and a continuation into 4,000. That's what I expect for now. So that's what I'm going to leave this video with. Like I said, there's a lot of news coming out over the course of this week, so keep your eyes on that, all right? Because that will matter and that can influence the markets quite a bit. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.